guys, I want to show you my everyday carry get home bag. It's a Vanquest maximizer. It's 8 inches tall, 5.5 inches wide, and 3.5 inches deep. I pretty much got everything I need in this bag, except for food and my weapon. I always carry my weapon on my person. I do have extra ammo in here. It's a very sturdy, nice bag. I think they're around 30 bucks, 35 bucks. Also on the back, it's got some MOLLE loops where you can connect it to your MOLLE system. And a carry handle, you can hook up a carabiner to that and wear it on your belt. On the outside, I've got a little compass that clips on with like a key ring compass. So you can buy these, I think around $30, $35. They're nice little bags. They're well built. They're sturdy. I've got this thing so packed you can't even move it, but it's loaded. It's got everything but the kitchen sink, and like I said, my weapon. It's got a Velcro patch on it. So let me open this dude up and I'll show you what I've got inside. You'll be amazed at what this little bag can carry. Alright, before I open it up, like I said, I have on the outside, hold the loops together, a little compass with a belt clip on it. So I have a compass. On the outside little pouch here, I keep two 42-gallon garbage bags. They can be used as rain gear, poncho, protection, whatever you need to use them for. So you'd be amazed at what this bag holds. I've got 50 feet of paracord. I've got a bandana in here, camo bandana. I've got a little first aid kit. It's got actually some waterproof matches in it, some ibuprofen, a little suture kit, pretty much a basic little first aid kit. I have a pair of glasses for us old guys that can't see. I've got these little compact reading glasses that I use. I have a little survival kit in here out of a Altoids tin. It's got a little knife in there. It's got clippers. It's got a lighter. It's got fishing gear. It's got so much in here. I've got it sealed so I don't want to open it, but pretty much that thing is packed full of survival items. And as you can see, I've got some safety clips, safety pins here for numerous reasons. Right here I've got a flashlight. Right here I've got some CR123 extra batteries for my flashlight. Here I've got a pencil with some duct tape wrapped around it. I've got a 8-power monocular right here. Can't fit binoculars in here, so I use a monocular. I've got a whistle. For, you know, making noise if you need to. I've got a glass break device right here, a punch. I have a indelible pen. I also have a Sharpie. I've got 2 lighters. I've got a 32 gigabyte USB stick. Right here I've got 2 P38 can openers. I've got a bunch of paper clips here that I can make a lockpick set out of or whatnot. Here I've got another pen. This is a nice pen that has actually a screwdriver in it. It's got a Phillips and a flat blade screwdriver in it. Never know when you're going to need that. Right here I've got some extra blades and a razor knife, basically a box cutter. Right here I've got some single edge razor blades. I've got a CKRT knife here. These are awesome knives. Wear these on my neck all the time. I've got a, like I say, a pencil with some duct tape wrapped around it. You never know when you're going to need duct tape. I've got some rubber gloves here, heavy duty rubber gloves. Again, a whistle with a built-in thermometer and a compass. Inside this pouch, I've got a space blanket, another poncho. I've got some alcohol wipes. I've got a mask, a particle filtration mask. I've got some Ziploc baggies in case I need to put something in there and waterproof it. I've also got extra moist wipes. Another Ziploc bag, extra moist wipes, got plenty of those in case there's nowhere to clean up at. Again, on this side I've got not only a Sharpie, but I've got, like I showed before, 2 lighters, USB stick, 2 P38s, different sizes. I've got a Leatherman, all-purpose Leatherman with pliers, knife, all that, you know, good stuff built into it. And then these 2 little pouches here. I've got a signal mirror, and I have a magnifying glass in this little plastic leather pouch to make fire if I need to. In this little pouch here, I've got a bunch of tin foil, probably about 10 feet of tin foil wrapped up nice and tight to be able to use that for whatever I need to. I've got some fire starter here that are cotton balls dipped in paraffin wax. I've got some tie wraps. I've got more fire starter, 2 little bags of fire starter that are sealed. Inside this zipper pocket here, I've got a life straw right here. Sawyer life straw. I have a little tiny pencil sharpener. I have a little paper clip. You never know when you need to hold something. I've got some earplugs. Actually, I got 2 little paper clips. I've got some earplugs here. I've got some Velcro. I have a little tea light candle. In case you need to light a fire, you can keep it going. Even more paper clips for whatever reason you need these for. I've got plenty of stuff in here. You're going to be amazed at what I keep in here. I've got some dental picks for dental hygiene, oral hygiene. I've got some alcohol hand sanitizer here. I have 2 little bottles of super glue. I have some, I'll get it out of there. I've got some surgical tubing here. I have some lip balm. I have a wire saw kit. Actually, it's a snare kit, but you can use it as a saw. I have a little piece of tubing. This goes on the water filter, the drinking filter. I have a little wrench here that's got some sockets on it. It's got 2 sockets different sizes. I have my sporks. I got 2 sporks here. I have some water neutralizing tablets. In case you can't find purified water, you can use those. I have some rubber bands. I got, quite a few rubber bands in here for whatever they're needed for. I've got some little Ziploc baggies to seal things up. I have some glue, some hot melt glue, in case I need to glue something together. Here's an extra tie wrap that fell out. Here's another bottle of water tablets. I've got 2 of those actually. Here's another wire saw, if you don't want to use the snare that I have here. It's a snare kit, but I've also got a separate wire saw. More rubber bands. Here's a big rubber band. And in this side, that's pretty much it. I've got a carabiner here. I've got a little bag of 380 hollow point ammo. That's enough for a full magazine in my LCP2. I have a little bag here with a full magazine of 9mm. It's pretty amazing what this little bag will hold. And I go everywhere with it. It doesn't leave my side. Everywhere I go in the car or the truck, it goes with me. So if you really want a nice little DIY get home bag, bug out bag, whatever you want to call it, check out the Vanquest Maximizer. Like I said, here I've got 2, possibly 3 42-gallon plastic garbage bags for whatever you need them for. Ponchos, you can make a lean-to. Here's another little tiny carabiner for whatever's needed for. It's a nice little bag, and it holds all this stuff. It's amazing what this little bag holds. And it's just filled with stuff I've had laying around that I really don't use, that I think is needed if I ever have to deal with a get home situation if the shit hits the fan, or my vehicle stalls, or I get caught up in some kind of situation where I've got to abandon my vehicle. So check it out. It holds a lot of items, fairly cheap, and you can customize it however you want. It's pretty amazing. So again, it's the Vanquest Maximizer. 35 bucks, I believe I paid for it. They might be cheaper now, but you really can't go wrong. Here's also a safety pin with some thread around it. Here's a handcuff key. Keep that in there for just in case. So let me know how you like this bag. I'm happy that I've been able to show you guys this. Holds a lot of stuff. I'm sure I could take out the second lighter and put something else in its place, but for now it gives me what I need. It's got a little loop in here where you can connect things to it. It's an amazing little pouch, bag, whatever you want to call it. There's another loop on this side, actually 2 loops on this side. But again, it holds everything I have, everything I need. Knife, flashlight, razor blades, box cutter, screwdrivers, glass punch, a Sharpie. I also have some popsicle sticks in here in case you need to use a popsicle stick for something. Like I said, I've got 2 sporks. I don't want to go through all this again with you, but just want to show you it just holds so much stuff. My extra ammo that I keep in here. And it all fits in here really nice. It's nice and snug, nice and tight. 2 bottles of neutralizing tablets, water purification tablets. Again, some surgical tubing, paracord. I've got a bundle of tie wraps here. Water purification straw. Gloves. Super glue. 2 little packages of fire starter. Earplugs. Pencil sharpener. Some dental floss and toothpicks. A particle mask. Waterproof matches with some Tylenol and a little safety kit. You can do emergency surgery if you need to. Got a bunch of moist towelettes here. I've got extras. I just keep them all in there. You never know if you don't have water, you can clean your hands. Poncho, space blanket, glasses, extra little Ziplocs, a complete survival kit. It has knife, fishing gear, bunch of stuff in here that's sealed. I'm not going to open that, but you can make your own little survival kit out of a Altoids tin, a bandana, a snare, some aluminum foil. Here's a signal mirror if you need to signal somebody. Lip balm, rubber bands, wire saw, tea light candle, Ziploc baggies, a few little clips to hold things. It's an amazing bag, so check it out, the Vanguard Maximizer. You can't go wrong with this little bag if you want to make a DIY get home bag. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave your comments and tips below. If you have any good tips, things I can add, change, I'd certainly like to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.